Shout out to everybody here on the live. Thank you for jumping on in. My name is Samuel James Price, and I'm the Crypto Lifer. Every single day, I give you a 3 to 5 minute news segment that breaks down what's happening in fintech, Web3, crypto, and more. The world of finance is changing. Let's find out right now how it's going down. JP Morgan debuts a tokenized BlackRock share as collateral with Barclays. This will help with their margin, and it will actually kind of, it will transfer. They won't have to keep money here and there. It will be a quick transferization because they already have the back of the tokenization. They created their own Onyx Ethereum-based blockchain, and ever since then, Onyx Digital Asset enables clients to access intraday liquidity via a repo transactions, said Tyrone Lubin, JP Morgan's head of Onyx Digital Assets, in a statement. Now, with the launch of TCN, clients can benefit from additional utility from their MMF investments by posting tokenized IMF shares as collateral. Pretty interesting. Bitcoin is fundamentally different from other cryptocurrencies, Fidelity Digital Assets. The crypto's first technology breakthrough was not as a superior payment method, but as a superior form of money, the report says. Bitcoin is a monetary good and an attractive store of value in a progressively digital world. Fidelity Digital Assets, a unit of financial services giant Fidelity Investments, said last week, traditional investors tend to use a technology investing framework when analyzing Bitcoin, which leads them to wrong conclusions that the cryptocurrency as a first mover technology will be easily supplanted by a superior one. Never going to happen. However, Bitcoin's first technology breakthrough was not as a superior payment technology, but as a superior form of money. Bitcoin is fundamentally different from any other digital asset. That's why I keep buying more of it, and that's why I see what others don't see. The success, and honestly, I have my one gift, and I know it's weird to have a gift like this, but I can see where the future is headed. Like I've been able to do this for a long time, and I'm not always right, but I'm really good at speculating, and I'm like 80%, 90%. Bitcoin is the one, man. I'm telling you. I said this the other day to somebody. Billionaires and trillionaires want Bitcoin. Millionaires want altcoins and stuff like that. The people with real money, the people with wealth want Bitcoin. They don't want anything else. You know what I mean? So you can only imagine what's going to happen as the future unfolds. According to the report, the world's largest cryptocurrency return profile is driven by two powerful tailwinds: global growth of broader digital asset economy and the potential instability of traditional macroeconomic conditions. Bitcoin should be considered first and separate from all other digital assets that have followed it, and it should be viewed as an entry point for traditional allocators looking to gain exposure to the sector. The success of Bitcoin network is not mutually exclusive with the success of other networks, the report argued. As a result of the digital assets ecosystem can service different needs or solve other problems that Bitcoin can't. And also, your altcoin will tank if Bitcoin tanks. If your altcoin tanks, Bitcoin will be fine. I've said that all the time. If XRP goes to the ground, Bitcoin's fine. If Bitcoin goes to the ground, XRP is going to go down. Right? You can say whatever you want, but that's a statement that you can't argue with. Crypto bank Xapo snags European broker license, will offer stocks like Apple. The Market in Financial Instruments Directive license will soon allow the firm to offer S&P stocks. In addition, Xapo, which has also been a Bitcoin only, plans to add Ethereum. Crypto bank Xapo will now offer trading of stocks like Apple to clients in Europe. The company is expanding beyond its Bitcoin only strategy and will let customers trade Ethereum. Yeah, they want more money. They realize, during the bear markets, they need to supplement income. People will trade Bitcoin hard in the bull, but then they need something else to kind of get them through. So they're going to create that for that next time.